Some of the most successful retirees in 2026 are making a choice that seems counterintuitive. They are walking away from the Roth conversion. Most financial planning centers on a single goal: moving pre-tax money into a Roth IRA to fill your current tax bracket. The logic is that you pay the 22% rate now to avoid a potentially higher rate later. However, tax brackets are not isolated containers. Increasing your income to fill one bracket triggers a cascading series of adjustments across your entire financial profile. When a conversion is treated as a standalone calculation rather than a systemic event, it can lead to a significant unintended depletion of your retirement savings. One primary consideration is the Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount, or IRMA. This is a surcharge added to Medicare premiums for retirees whose income exceeds specific limits. Medicare uses a 2-year look-back period. A Roth conversion at 63 dictates your health insurance costs when you enroll at 65. Because IRMA operates on a strict cliff system, pushing your income $1 over the threshold triggers a higher tier, costing thousands in fees. In many cases, the tax savings you projected for this year are entirely offset by the increased insurance costs you'll incur 2 years from now. Social Security introduces a complication called provisional income. Adding conversion income to the ledger causes up to 85% of your Social Security to become taxable. This creates a tax torpedo, where your actual marginal tax rate can spike to 30% or higher. There are also specific income thresholds that determine your eligibility for various tax-saving credits and deductions. If you have realized capital gains, keeping your total income below a certain level allows a 0% rate. Pushing your income higher with a Roth conversion moves those gains into the 15% bracket, increasing your tax bill. Focusing exclusively on a spreadsheet's tax bracket can blind a retiree to these broader shifts, turning a projected math win into a net loss for the portfolio. There is also the reality of the perfect plan. You could spend decades successfully minimizing every possible tax, only to reach age 90 with a massive, unspent $10 million portfolio. At that stage, most retirees realize that prioritizing current experiences and personal health often provides more value than rigid tax optimization. Instead of maximizing a Roth account, that same capital could allow you to retire 3 years earlier, or significantly increase your travel budget while you are still active enough to enjoy it. Success in retirement is measured by the utility of your wealth, how much it actually improves your life, rather than the balance you leave behind. There is a mechanical benefit to this lifestyle-first approach. By actively spending your pre-tax money earlier in retirement, you naturally lower the balance of your traditional accounts. A smaller pre-tax balance leads to smaller required minimum distributions when you reach your late 70s. Lowering your future RMDs through planned spending removes the pressure to perform aggressive, high-bracket Roth conversions. The most effective strategy is often a modest one, making calculated moves within the lowest tax brackets, like the 10 or 12% tiers, to provide a tax-free cushion for the future. The most effective order of operations is to define your life goals first, calculate the tax impact second, and use conversions as support. A Roth conversion is just one tool in a much larger kit. To see how to coordinate the rest of your retirement, subscribe to WealthRise.